Okay, so for our next one, we are going to talk about sound through a liquid versus a sound through gas. So we just got done talking about a solid and how the particles are packed tightly together, and so the sound goes from particle to particle very quickly, but it goes slower through a gas where they are not as closely packed together. A liquid is in between. The particles are more in between for a liquid. So there's more of them and they move around freely amongst each other. So the sound travels through a liquid um, in between. So it goes faster than through a gas, but slower than through a solid. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a demonstration. I know that the sound kind of cuts out on a lot of this stuff, so you're going to have to trust me that sometimes that these sounds are playing, we may know that they're playing just for the fact that my dog will probably come over here and say hi when she hears these sounds. So let's go ahead and start off with a bell. Okay, you can hear that through the air. Here's another one, different bell. Slightly different pitch. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move this pan of water over and I'm going to ring the bell inside the water. And this is what I think that you may not be able to hear, but I'll let you know if I'm hearing it. So again, this is what it sounds like. Oh, and now I'm going to put it in. Definitely sounds different, but I can still hear it. Okay, here's this one. And into the water. Again, I can hear it, but it has a different sound. And see, you can there she is. She knows I'm working with sound today. Okay. The other thing that you can do is using just a pot of water along with the bell. You can put your ear next to the pot and listen to it not only travel through the water there, but also the solid on the side of the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and put my ear down here. I'm going to plug my left ear so I'm only hearing the sound coming from here. Okay, and it's actually a pretty neat sound listening to it that way. So if you've got some bells at home that you can use and try that out, you could also do it with just clinking two spoons together and listen to what it sounds like in the air and then in the water and then by pressing your ear next to the pot.